Hello, you guys. Today, I'm helping my mom do a grocery haul, and this is unicorn cereal.
Hey guys, it's Jen, and today is Monday. We have just gotten back from a family vacation, so I'm sharing with you my grocery haul and meal plan, and today Keira really wanted to help me, so here we go. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go to the store right now, and I thought I would show you my meal plan for this week. We actually just got back from vacation yesterday on Sunday, and I was able to make spaghetti with meat sauce and some salad and some garlic bread, all with stuff I had on hand, so that was good. I didn't need to go to the store, and it always seems like after you get home from vacation that you want like a home cooked meal, so that's what we had last night. Today is Monday, and Connor has requested orange chicken tonight for supper, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that along with some rice, and then I have some edamame and some pot stickers in the freezer, so we'll go ahead and use those up. We were supposed to have soccer tonight, but I will show you. It is April, and we have snow on the ground. We got probably about 4 inches of snow yesterday, which is kind of uncharacteristic for Iowa, but anyway, so no soccer tonight. Tomorrow I have some sausage in the fridge that I want to use up. One is a kielbasa, and then the other is some smoked chicken sausage, and so we're gonna have that tomorrow with sauerkraut. I just cut that up into small pieces and roast it in the oven, and then along with that I have some roasted potatoes in the freezer that I will throw in there, and then we'll have some corn with that. On Wednesday, I'm trying a new recipe for some Instant Pot potato soup. The recipe is from, I believe it's from Mel's Kitchen Cafe. It's cheesy potato soup. I got this idea because HyVee has potatoes on sale this week, 99 cents a bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a bag of those and make that. And then I'm also going to heat up some of the leftover ham we have in the fridge, and we'll have that along with some rolls. And then Thursday, I just decided that I'm gonna start doing this last week. Have one night a week where we just have leftovers or eat whatever we can out of the fridge or freezer, sandwiches, different things like that. Just because I feel like a lot of times we're not using up all of our leftovers, and like I said, I did it last week and the kids seemed to think it was fun to have a little bit of leftover everything. So we'll go ahead and do that on Thursday. And then Friday night, we always have pizza night. That's kind of our family tradition. Connor will be starting soccer games this week, and he'll have those from 5:30 to 6:30 every Friday night. And that's usually about the time we eat dinner. So I think probably what we'll end up doing is just either picking up a pizza on our way home from the soccer game, or maybe stopping and getting something to eat or some pizza after his soccer games are over. And then Saturday the 14th, he also has a soccer game in the morning. But I'm actually getting some Blue Apron meals delivered on Friday, so we'll go ahead and have that for Saturday. I am trying the family plan, which for the same price you get 2 meals that serve 4 people each. So I'm gonna try that out, and the kids are excited to help cook those. So here's my grocery list. I want to go to HyVee because they have some things in their ad this week that I want to make sure I get, and so I just wrote the prices down next to them, so I made sure I got the right stuff. And then I also need to go to Walmart for some other things, so I will show you my haul when I get back. Okay, so Keira's here helping me. She's gonna help me do the grocery haul. So I went to HyVee first, and the total there was $89. So we got some unicorn cereal. Yeah. This is Kellogg's brand, so it's actually like Fruit Loops. And we already tasted some, and it tastes kind of like, what does it taste like?
Fruit Loops, just not as fruity.
Like cotton candy, kind of?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. I just got that for the fun of it. And then I got 2 boxes of Rice Krispies. These are on sale for $1.88, and I had a coupon for $1 off too, so it ended up being like under $3 for both boxes. And then I got some Scooby-Doo graham crackers. These are for Paw Patrol themed lunch that I'm working on for Connor. They're just little graham crackers in the shape of dog bones. And then I got some Hello Kitty fruit snacks because I'm also working on Hello Kitty themed lunch for Keira. So I'm collecting all the Hello Kitty themed snacks. Now let's do the produce. Okay, so I got some Paw Patrol mac and cheese. This is for Paw Patrol lunch for Connor. And then some SpaghettiOs, because you guys like those, right?
Yeah, 2 cans.
SpaghettiOs with meatballs. And then I got Keira this water bottle. She broke her other one. So you did, me too. So this is just a Contigo bottle. You think that'll work?
Yeah.
No, you push it right here.
Oh. It smells good.
It smells good. Well, we'll have to wash it.
A little bit weird.
Okay, I got ketchup. Ketchup was on sale for $1.99. So I got that. I got Cookies barbecue sauce. That was on sale too. And then these are on sale for $1.48. Ice cream bars. We put these in the freezer.
Yeah.
Okay, tell them what we got for produce.
We got some tomatoes.
Tomatoes, yep.
We have some grapes.
Yep.
Red grapes. Hummus.
You like hummus?
Mm-mm. We got bananas.
Okay. You know what that is? Arugula.
We got arugula.
For salads.
Some potatoes.
Potatoes. These bags of potatoes were on sale for 99 cents. So we're going to make potato soup this week.
Yay. And then we got parsley flakes.
Dried parsley. I got 3 avocados.
Guacamole. We got this cheesecake yogurt.
This is not yogurt. It's actually like a cheesecake dessert, and it comes with cherry. It's really
Can I
good.
try it?
Sure. And then I got a bag of onions.
Yucky.
Some oyster crackers for our soup.
Then we have some Paw Patrol cheese for Connor's lunch.
Yeah.
Some
Chobani's getting fancy with their yogurts. This is new. This is a hint of Madagascar vanilla and cinnamon. So that should be fancy.
we got some half and half.
Yeah, I got this to take to work for my coffee. And then I also got this Green Mountain Columbia Select medium roast Keurig cups. I take these to work so I don't have to buy coffee at work. And these are on sale for $4.99, so that's a good price.
Then we have some 4 Yoplait yogurts and popsicle.
Connor likes those, doesn't he?
Yes, I do too. They're just one of my favorites. Then we have some spaghetti.
Yeah. HyVee had pasta on sale for 77 cents a box. So I got fettuccine, spaghetti, rigatoni, and orzo just to stock up the pantry on pasta.
And then we took these on our trips, and they're just like these little snack packs, and they have like
Their
cheese.
trio, yeah. They have cheese. Sorry, go
cookies.
ahead.
They have cheese and little cookies, and then some crackers
I got some peanut butter. This was on sale
with
for
peanuts.
$1.48. I got some Diet Coke, ginger lime.
And this is like the rainbow.
Yeah, these are good. And then lastly, I got just a bag of frozen chicken breasts. That was on sale for $4.49.
And that was the HyVee haul. Now stay tuned for the watermelon Walmart haul.
Okay, so here's what I got from Walmart. Actually, at $11 in coupons and $15 in Ibotta rebates, so the total was around $200. But I got some non-food stuff also. So let's start over here. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna have the sticky white rice with the orange chicken and the General Tso's chicken. And then I got these vegetable enchiladas. This is the Evil brand. This was an Ibotta rebate also. I got some dinner rolls. I had a coupon for those. And then, you can hold that up.
We have granola bars, yummy.
Granola bars, peanut butter chocolate chip granola bars. I got some saltine crackers. We're almost out of those. And then we got these Shopkins cookies for some themed lunches. Okay, so I got 3 blocks of cheese, 2 Colby, and 1 mozzarella. I got a sugar-free Rockstar. That's for Adam. I got 2 of these Paw Patrol crunch packs. These are in the deli section at Walmart. This one has apples, cheese, caramel sauce, and cookies. And then this one has apples, cheese, grapes, and cookies. We got some dressing from Food Network Kitchens. This is the Italian herb and garlic. Okay, so I got some celery sticks. I like to get these and use them to make like tuna salad, just so I'm not wasting so much.
Then we got some chicken fried rice, which is delicious.
Chicken fried rice. I had a coupon for that. And then these are the Gardettos, the special request garlic rice chips. Adam likes those. And then this was actually free after an Ibotta rebate. This Heinz mayonnaise, it was $3.48 and then had a $3.50 rebate, so that makes it free. Got some Claussen kosher dill pickles. These are my favorite pickles. They did not have a smaller container at Walmart, so I ended up getting this huge one. I also got 3 bottles of the Smart Water, the sparkling. I really like that. And then this is new. This is the Tillamook cheese starter. Basically, it's mixed and you can make a cheese sauce with it. So I don't have a plan for that, but I ended up getting that. I got some bacon bits for our potato soup. And then Connor was requesting Pop-Tarts, and these had an Ibotta rebate, so I got these. They're the Jolly Rancher Cherry. And then I got some Jimmy Dean fully cooked sausage. These were on Ibotta rebate, and I had a coupon also. Okay, careful with the packaging because it makes it really loud on the video, okay? I got some green leaf lettuce for salads. And then I got an English cucumber. This will be just for salads and lunches. And then some blueberries. Show them the rest of the produce.
So then we have some limes.
Limes, yep.
And then we got some lemons.
Lemons, yep.
We have some onions, green onions.
Green onions. Those are for the potato soup.
Red peppers.
Yep.
Yummy. We have these grapefruit packages, kind of like.
These are grapefruit fruit refreshers, red grapefruit and guava. I had a coupon for those. And then I got this for Keira. This is a thin mint flavored yogurt. So I thought you'd like to try that. And then these I got for Connor. They're the superhero shaped pasta and meatballs for a themed school lunch. We got 4 of the panino pepperoni with cheese sticks. We really like those. And then I got 1 of the Hormel Natural Choice. What?
Can I tell what's inside?
Yeah, what's inside there?
So they have some in different kinds. So in this kind they have turkey, these little chocolate covered pretzels, and then we have some cheese.
Yep. I got soy sauce because we were almost out of that. I wanted to try this new Cascadian Farm granola. This is the lemon blueberry granola. I got a half gallon of 2% milk and a container of chicken broth for the potato soup. And then down here I got just a 6-pack of the Seagram's ginger ale cans, and then a 12-pack of this V Energy peach mango. That stuff is really good. I also got a loaf of bread. This is Sara Lee honey wheat. That's my favorite kind of bread. I got some English muffins for breakfast. Some Jif whips. This is just like regular peanut butter, except it's whipped, so it's easier to dip like apples and stuff in. And then I got some natural Oscar Mayer ham. And then for school lunches, I got these Paw Patrol gummy decorations. I thought those were super cute. And then the Batman gummy decorations. And then I got 2 cupcake liners. This one is Shopkins and this one is Batman. And then for non-food, I got some Downy Fresh Protect. You sprinkle these in the wash when you do your laundry. They smell really good. I got Adam some Irish Spring body wash. This is for Connor. This is what he likes to use in the shower. It's the Dove shower foam. I got the kids 2 bath bombs. They both say they have a surprise inside. This one has a dinosaur inside. I don't know what this one has inside.
It's like a VIP.
A VIP?
Pass inside.
Whatever that means. So I guess you'll see. And then these have been on I Bought a Rebate forever. I probably get one every time I go to Walmart because you get $2 back. And I use these for packing lunches and stuff. And then I got these shorts for Keira. They're just Bermuda shorts with this little lace on the bottom, which I thought was cute. So you have to try those on.
The horsies.
The only other things I got were, I got a bag of dog food, and then I got this Pioneer Woman cake plate, or cake stand I guess it is. I've wanted this for many years, ever since I saw it at Walmart, and it was normally $30 and they had these on clearance for $14.99, so I had to get it because I've been wanting it for the longest time. No, those are for supper. I've already had those, but thank you. They're chicken wontons. And then I just found this cup at Starbucks, and I had to get it because I like to collect coffee mugs, and this is an Iowa coffee mug. It says the Corn Belt, the Hawkeye State, and then it has like some cute different pictures and icons on there. So it was the only one left, and I had to get it. So
Iowa Hawkeye.
I know, isn't it cute?
Go Iowa.
Okay, so that's it for today. This was kind of a big grocery haul, but we were on vacation, so we had to stock up on some stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye. Subscribe.
Here's just a quick closer look at that cake stand I got from Walmart. Again, this is the Pioneer Woman brand. I have wanted this for a while, so I'm so happy I got it on half off on clearance. It's just beautiful, and I can't wait to use it. So again, thanks so much for watching. Keira was so excited to help me with this grocery haul, so I appreciate your kind comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.